Hi, my name is Gerrick Rodrigues. I'm the Global Head of IT for Rentschler Biopharma. I've been with the company since December of 2020, beginning first focused as the IT Director for Infrastructure and Applications in Milford in the US, and now the Global Head of IT, so spending time between Milford and Laupheim since the beginning of 2024. So I originally studied and completed my bachelor's in international relations and German language and literature. When I was done, I realized I don't want to be a college professor. And there was an opportunity with my father and uncle's business in Maine in the United States to introduce information technology. They were doing everything on paper. And so I started it and I realized I was hooked. I was passionate for it. I started doing IT, built a network and software and the like. And then I started working more in IT, first in Maine, and then I moved to California, took training, did certifications, continued to learn in roles, first as a hands-on IT person, and then eventually moved into management positions, ultimately completing a master's of business and then another master's in IT. So I think first, obviously, is an interest in technology, right? Going from there, it's really curiosity about technology, a desire to learn and grow. It's constantly changing and evolving. And so being curious about it, bringing interest and wanting to help things improve through the use of technology. At the same time, I think it's important to remember technology isn't the answer. It is an enabler. Ultimately, we use technology to serve the business and serve people in the way they work. So always think and keep people in mind. And I think to that point, remember, you are a user of technology. Think about how you use it, what works, and what could be better, and bring that interest and experience into your work in IT. Yeah, this question made me laugh because absolutely I encounter difficulties. Things happen, things don't go as they should, problems arise. And so what do? I stop, I take a deep breath, I say some bad words under my breath that nobody can hear. And then I think, okay, now let's figure out a solution. It's not that there's a difficulty, it's that there has to be a path forward. My first question is always, what is the problem that I'm trying to solve? What needs to be fixed? And then I start to also think about what is the priority? What needs to be done first and second and so on. So I create a plan from there. I seek information, ask questions, look for evidence, and most importantly, I ask for help, because I can't do this by myself. Yeah, to me, teamwork, it's everything, right? We are social beings. We interact and collaborate, whether it's in person or through technology. And that enables us to do more things and do those things together to support one another and to help. That really, I think, is fulfilling. I think also that, teamwork is about going forward together. There's a proverb that I will misquote, but the idea is, if you want to go fast, go it alone. If you want to go far, go together. And for me and with the teams I work, our goal is to go far, to do a lot of things, not just quick and short term, but long term, and to support us and our company strategically. Yeah, most importantly, bring yourself fully into what you're doing. Don't be afraid to ask questions, be curious. Also recognize that you have experience and insights that you can share. So speak up, ask for help when it's needed. Remember that you will make mistakes, we all do. It's not about whether you make mistakes, it's what you do when a mistake happens. Admit it, ask for help if necessary, and move on. And I think really the biggest thing, the most important thing for me is have some fun with this, right? Enjoy the experience. That attitude and that personality will make the entire time better and more fulfilling.